So Miele's range of laundry is quite interesting. You've basically got different weights to start with. So there's a 7 kilo machine, 8 kilo machine, 9 kilo machine. And the first machines are fully featured, but that's the main selling features. After that, you then get into things like power washing. Power washing is where the machines based on their commercial technology and will give you the fastest, cleanest wash you can get. It's probably about 58 minutes, but it's not in any way a compromised wash. So that's power washing. It's almost like a spin to centrifugally push the dirt out of the wash. The other technology they use is self-dosing, twin dosing. You'll get a compartment there. The machine comes with some detergent to get you going. There's 2 of them. Also, the machine comes with a 6 months voucher to get you going as well. And that allows you to use exactly the right amount of detergent for your wash all the time, because detergent is still one of the dearest parts of running any modern machine. Probably dearer than electricity or water, though that may have changed recently. So that's that. You can also combine all those technologies into a machine like that one on the end there, which has got 9 kilo load, 1600 spin, power washing for the speed if you want it, and self-dosing as well, so you get the optimum dosing of detergent all the time and optimum wash. I hasten to add, you could still use conventional detergents if you want to, no problem at all. So it kind of does it all. And of course it's a Miele, so it's multiple award winning and built to last, tested 15 to 20 years.